Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to disable background apps on Windows 11 and increase Windows 11 performance. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under Local Computer Configuration. Click App Privacy. Open Let Windows Apps Run in the background, change to Disabled. Restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.